What is up, everybody? Ding ding dong. It is time. Weight Loss Wednesdays, where I help you achieve weight loss success on a plant based lifestyle. Now, there are a few principles that I follow to stay lean all year round. Very, very simple principles. First is who are the people that I'm learning from. The people that I'm learning from are the likes of the OGs in the plant-based vegan movement. The John McDougall's, Dr. Caldwell Esselstyn's, and at the moment, watching a lot of natural weight loss mastery. Ryan Adams, check him out. He's doing great things. Very similar message. I would be more on the high fruit sort of lifestyle. I love fruit, but go check him out. Helping people lose weight. So I first, who am I learning from? I'm learning from the best people. I'm learning from the best people. The second is I have dedicated myself to actually learn this information. I've got a couple cookbooks from John McDougall. I've got like How Not to Die, etc. Other books from people promoting a plant-based vegan lifestyle. So I've dedicated myself, and I'm willing to learn, and I've accepted the change. I've made the change. As difficult as it was initially to transition my habits of eating the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. I actually took action, and one of the main things I want to say is that if you want to achieve weight loss success, what's helped me along my journey is cutting out the oil. I will keep stating this over and over again. Cutting out the oil. If you have two potatoes that are the same size, one's fried, one's not, they will satiate you exactly the same, but one is up in the calorie amount that you don't even notice because they're satiating you exactly the same. So instead of having one oily potato, why don't you just have one potato that is grease free? Then whenever you eat that, you want another one, you have another potato. And then if you're still hungry, have another potato, all grease free. So 3 potatoes that aren't fried, like in this scenario, could have the same amount of calories as one potato that is fried. So you can understand why people who cut out the oil, they eat foods that are cooked, steamed, etc. No oil. They don't buy all the packaged stuff that has oil all over it. They get rid of that. They keep oil only to the bedroom and not in the kitchen. You see why people like that succeed very well. And if you're someone who's struggling, just check, where am I consuming oil? Am I consuming oil on the packaged foods, the takeaways, etc., the food I have in the house? And just roundhouse kick oil out of your life. You don't need it. It's not necessary. It's not necessary. People are like, oh, you need healthy fats and stuff like that. Yeah, get them, but in a whole food source. And when you are eating those, don't eat a whole bag of nuts. Don't eat a whole bag of nuts. Some people go crazy on the nuts. They eat too many nuts, and that's why it's slowing down their progress. So, I digress. Eliminate the oils and eat predominantly whole foods, plant-based. This is assuming you've already got rid of the animal products. It's assuming you've already got rid of the cow titty milk, the dairy products, the udders. You recognize that we're not baby calves. Eat predominantly whole foods, soups, stews, salads. Bear in mind, I don't eat only whole foods. There are people who eat only whole foods, and they're the ones who may have plateaued and they switched from white rice to brown rice. They eliminated even rice noodles. They don't eat rice cakes or none of that. All they eat is fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. And for some people, depending on where they're at, they might have to do that. At my stage, I don't have to do that. I can eat rice noodles. I can eat rice cakes. I can make homemade bread. I'm at the goal weight that I want. I'm happy with the weight I'm at. But for some people, they have to do that to dig a little deeper. So what's helped me along my journey is eating predominantly whole foods, eliminating the oil, and getting a bit of exercise. And remember, your psychology is very, very important. The affirmations you say about yourself and how you feel about yourself is really, really important. People are putting off their happiness until they reach their goals. Do not do that. Find things to be grateful for right now. It could be grateful for your legs, your eyes, the fact that you can see. Be grateful on the way to your goal. Visualize yourself already achieving your goal of health and fitness and strong and flexible, eating all these amazing foods. Visualize that on a daily basis. Whenever I first started this lifestyle, I repeated to myself, I am healthy, I am fit, hundreds of times during the day. I saturated my subconscious mind with that message. And what will start to happen is your subconscious mind will make your external reality consistent with your new orders, your new affirmation. So I am talking a lot about what I eat and stuff like that. However, your mindset towards this is really, really important. So keep eating those beautiful plants. Keep eating those beautiful fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Find time to move your body, whether it's yoga, whether it's getting steps in and Fitbit, bodyweight exercises, whatever you love to do, dancing, go out dancing with friends, whatever you love to do, just do it and enjoy the process. Enjoy the process. It doesn't matter where you start. All that matters is where you are heading. Peace, love, veganism. Thank you very much for watching this. Peace.